Hello, Dr. James Bogesh, expert in health and longevity, and as a practicing chiropractor who sees more than my share of knee problems, including arthritis, not arthritis, meniscal tears, injuries, all kinds of stuff. This particular article or this study really makes a lot of sense to me. And it was asking the question about whether physical activity was good or bad for knee pain or for development of knee arthritis. It's very clear that we need to be moving. Like, there's no discussion, no. If you want healthy knees, you have to be moving. Period. But what should we be doing, and are there certain activities that might be more damaging, and if they are, under what scenarios? And that was what was interesting about this particular question. It was a study out of Denmark. They looked at a little over 5,000 people, followed them for almost 6.5 years, and they asked the question about lower limb muscle index. So in other words, like, do you have tiny chicken legs or do you have really big muscular legs? And it turns out that if you've got smaller chicken legs, not to discriminate against chickens, but you know what I'm talking about, then weight-bearing exercises was going to increase your risk of knee arthritis. Again, that's very consistent with what we know, that the more muscle strength that we have in the legs, the lower development of knee arthritis. So, two options. First of all, if you've got really small legs and maybe running isn't for you, however, if you really love to run and you have small legs, then you're going to have to hit the gym or do squats or do something to add muscle mass to the legs, which is a good idea anyway. But this just drives it home that the combination of weight-bearing exercise and skinnier, lower limb muscle index, or a lower limb muscle index is going to be a bad combination. So you need to either fix your muscle mass or find another form of exercise that is not weight-bearing, whether it be swimming. Interestingly enough, things like jump rope will probably build leg strength and leg muscle group versus running, depending upon whether you're dealing with long distance sprinting. Anyway, but the reality is we need to be moving if you want healthy knees, and that type of movement may depend on, or what you should be doing may depend more on your lower limb size. And the nice thing is that's modifiable. So, as always, I'll post a link to this particular study in the description. Make sure you like this video, share it with somebody who you think needs information, and subscribe to the channel.